everyone. Our today's topic is what is blogging and why should we start it. Let's first understand what a blog is. A blog, which was earlier known as Vblog, is an online journal or informational website displaying information in the reverse chronological order. That is, the latest posts appear first on the website, that is at the top. It is a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. Now, what blogging is? Blogging is a collection of skills that one needs to run and supervise a blog. This entails equipping a web page with tools to make the process of writing, posting, linking, and sharing content easier on the internet. Now, why should we start blogging? Here are some benefits that you will get if you start blogging. It helps you to inspire your audience, and it is a really satisfying feeling when people around you get inspired by you. When people respond to you in positive ways, you generate a portion of influence over them. To improve your writing ability. Starting out might feel awkward and tough, but as you develop the habit of writing, it will start getting easier, and it increases your creativity too. To learn new skills. So many skills and abilities like SEO practices, creating web graphic, and website hosting are the skills that you may gain from it. To build your online brand by providing value to your readers, you will become recognizable in the community and you will be able to transform your brand into something more. To confront your fears, it can help you in overcoming your fears of not being good enough. Writing about a topic you're scared of will help you work through these emotions. To generate an income. It is not an easy thing to do, but yeah, it requires years of hustles to start earning money from your blogs. To meet new people, blogging exposes you to a huge community of new people, and various events and meetups are also organized in various communities. To document your life. It is a wonderful way to reflect. It can help you see how far you have come and how much you have learned. To land your dream. It can be a perfectly stepping stone towards the job that will transform your working life. You may end up working in content marketing. Now let us see why should college students start blogging and what are the benefits that they can get from it. Blogs provide opportunities for regular writing practice. It requires commitment to writing, to learning, and to growth over long haul. Blogging allows students to experiment with multiple media formats. You can blend text, image, sound, and video to communicate a message so thoroughly to a wide audience. Students can learn how to write with every medium. It broadens students' perspective and connects them to the world. You connect personally with readers, and consequently, you build empathy. Your field of vision widens and work broadens. It also helps students in generating income. As earlier also I told you, it also helps you in generating a little bit of income. But it's not that easy. It requires you to hustle hard for it. And last but not the least, it helps you in improving your communication skills. As you write and keep writing for a long time, it will eventually improve your writing skills, your writing ability, and you will be better than others at it. So this is why every student at least should start blogging. Thank you.